Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is CID News Network Islamabad. I am Zainab. Today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan has said people will pay no heed to the Pakistan Democratic Movement, called for long march and rejected the opposition allegation of a puppet premier, arguing that if it was true, why he did not hold talks with them, even after the military leadership had asked him to do so in order to end political instability. The federal cabinet has approved payment of $28.7 million in damages to the Washington-based Asset Recovery from Broadsheet LLC, and at the same time decided to challenge the British court's decision to attach the accounts of the Pakistan High Commission in London. Pakistan Democratic Movement Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman said that the opposition's movement would no longer be directed only at the Prime Minister Imran Khan-led government but also his backers, hinting that the aliens or possible long march to the capital could also be to Rawalpindi. A senior foreign ministry official, while criticizing the nuclear supplier group for differently treating Pakistani and Indian application for membership, has regretted that the multilateral export control claim to politicized. India's drug regulators approved a coronavirus vaccine developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University for emergency use. The World Health Organization has approved the biotechnology vaccine for emergency use, paving the way for it to be distributed to countries in need. Pakistan urged UN Secretary General Antonio to prevent the judicial murder of Kashmiri leader and human rights activist and to persuade India to drop all fabricated charges against her. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government launched the third phase of Sehat Card Plus scheme to extend the program to the remaining 6 districts of the province, including Peshawar, Mardan, Charsadda, Sawabi, Nowshera and Haripur. A police constable shot dead a man while trying to flee after killing a woman, also a murderer suspect who was taken to the orthopedic ward of the KDA teaching hospital here in the police custody. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.